This is the building where my brother used to live. That's his apartment. And this is where I sat last time I talked to him. Actually, I think I sat over here, actually. As I recall. No, I don't know. He was up on the 3rd floor. That was his house. I just drove through. I just literally didn't even know I was going to be driving past this building. And like my GPS just took me past here. And I was navigating to the Cincinnati Nature Center to go hiking there. Because my brother really liked the nature center. And there's even like a stone set in the ground with his name on it. Maybe somebody made a donation to the nature center and had his name there or something like that. But I really want to go see that. And he actually worked in this building too. So the store that's here, it used to be a different store and they changed it. It used to be Oakley Paint and Glass, and now it's something else. Because when I pulled in here, I thought how it would have been nice to go in and talk to his old coworkers, his old buddies, and have them tell me things that they remembered about him. And I did not get to properly say goodbye to my brother before he passed away. And that was his decision. And, you know, everyone has the right, you know, to die how they want. And he did not want us to see him weak. My mom did see him when he was really weak, and I didn't. And I do not have the same memories that my mother is going to have, which, you know, is of him without his hair and like really thin and like he can't walk well and things like that, she said. So he did protect me from having that memory. So this is like a rundown building, I guess. It's at the Cincinnati Nature Center. And I think it used to have animals in it, maybe horses, because it has these window things here. But I'm not really sure, because on the other side of that, it doesn't really look like it'd be big enough for a horse to hang out at. So who knows what this used to be. Cincinnati Nature Center is really cool. They say it's got like 15 miles of trails. I'm going to do as many as I can. I've already done, I don't know how many, 4 or so. Those vines are awesome. And this is like near where I grew up at. And behind my house where I lived, there was lots of vines like this. And we would swing on them. There's more. You have to be very careful because they can fall out of the trees and then you'll bust your ass. But we did. We swinged on the vines a lot when I was a kid. I swatted them away. I swatted my glasses off, but I got them on again. I wanted to show this part of the trail. It's so pretty. Except lots of mosquitoes. And I think all my bug spray got sweated off. Oh my goodness. But you see, let's see, how can I say? Forest floor is not quite as green. You know why? Because, look over here, you can see better. Let me show you. Oh, mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. Here. You gotta see this, you gotta see this. Over there. Forest floor is not as green. A couple of reasons. One, it's on a steep hill. But not so much that. But really, because mosquitoes. Look how thick the canopy is. Look how thick these trees are. This is the green tunnel. So beautiful, except for the mist. Okay, here's another wooden footbridge. Oops, sorry. Gotta hold the camera like this. And last time I was on a wooden footbridge, my boots landing on the wood made a beautiful hollow sound. So let's see how it sounds when I walk across it. Look. The tree is rubbing against another tree and making a noise. You hear that? See how thick the canopy is? It's actually, hear that? It's beautiful. It's so shaded here. Trees are talking because of the wind. Okay, let's see what this sounds like. That was beautiful. But other wooden bridges I've walked across had a louder boom when you hit it. Here's another footbridge. This time I'm going to show the scenery so you can appreciate it while I walk across. Let's listen to how my boots sound on it. That's a nice sound. Listen to these birds and these insects. Here's a nice view. This is a nice bench to sit at. I think this one is the Falcon Trail that I'm on. There's like more than a few short trails here. If you go on all of them, then you can go for 15 miles altogether. Falcon Trail I think is about 2.5 or so. It's so pretty. You just gotta see this. Look who met me on the trail. I just turned the corner and there is a new friend. Hello. You're sweet. Look at you. I can see you, even though you're so still and quiet. Don't worry. Look at your cute nose. You have to just see his nose. I'm going to get closer. Or her. Are you a male or female? Look at your cute nose. Look at the nostrils. Look at this. Look at their eyes. Look at the eyes. Ah, try to get the picture good. Look at this. Are you seeing this? Look at you. I found my brother's stone. Show yourself. I can't see. I can't see. Oh, it flew away. Okay, Cincinnati Nature Center. I'll show you where I went today. Let's see. Let's see if I can figure this out. Okay, so I'd like to come back and do all of that and all of that. Doing the fern trail and the falcon trail was really, really fun.